What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. It's we're having some weird weather out here in Texas today, so I thought, what better day to come work on the bus, right? It's snowing in Texas. We've actually gotten like probably 4 inches already today, just in like the last few hours. We never get this. It's crazy. But nonetheless, the bus needs work. I can't do the disc brake kit that came in yesterday from our pals at SoCal Imports, so we're gonna do something else. We're gonna work on these side screens here. I got some new material, and we're gonna see if we can figure out how to replace those without freezing to death. So let's give it a try. All right, so the first thing we got to do, it's a weird step. You may or may not have to do this. This is optional, I guess, depending on where you live. We got to get the snow off. Gonna knock the snow off, and then in here there's a couple of screws. Which may or may not be frozen on. Don't lose them. And then you can there we go. We got our screen out. And now we're gonna take the actual screen material off. Here in the corner. Well, I'm gonna go get a pick. There's a little rubber, like a little rubber tubey kind of a thing that holds the screen in that channel, so we're gonna go pull that out. I'll go get a pick and we'll change the camera angle. Okay, so in one of the corners, and this is the best way to do it, is to put this in the corner. You have this little, you know, the rubber that keeps it in. Just like doing screens at home, you just have to get that out. This one's gonna be super gross because it's been in there forever. Now your screen is all out. Nothing. No. So we got this roll of mesh from Home Depot, and you know, just metal mesh, and we put the screen on it, and we're going to cut it to size. We're going to cut it a little bit bigger than what we need, just so we can make sure that we have enough to tuck it. Kids throwing snowballs at me. So there we go. Just roughly a little bigger. Kind of hard to see, but there we go. Roughly a little bigger than the screen. Then we take the, this is also from Home Depot. This is just, what do they call it? Screening spline. And somewhere, there we go, there's an end, and then we got this little tool, which is like a little roller wheel, and one side's got a groove in it and one side doesn't. So you use the groovy side first, and you kind of push that down. So we put our screen on, and we start in one corner. Kind of push that down in there. Like that. Put that camera a little closer in, you can see what I'm doing here. There we go. You basically roll it. Before you turn that corner, though, you want to kind of make sure that all the screen is pointing the same direction. And then you gotta kind of tuck it in that corner. It's tricky, the corner. Ooh, that one sounded like it had a rock in it.
I just made it really heavy.
All right, and then we just take our scissors here. Oh, that was a heavy one. We're gonna trim it as close as we can to that little rubber piece there. Let me just put it in. All right, there we go. Look at that. That's perfect. Beautiful new screen with no holes in it. Excellent. Then we're gonna put it back together the way that we took it out. Just kind of slide it in there and put the screws back on. All right, and we take, lost my little spacer. The little spacer on, you want to put the rubber seal part inside. It's all packed full of snow. Catch.
There you go. They got one of these oxygen activated handle warmers. Because you were cold and I'm cold.
All right, now take those two little screws that you weren't supposed to lose. I'm going to screw this back in. That basically keeps the screen from moving side to side so it can't come out. And there we go.
It's starting to warm
We got one replaced screen, so now we just gotta do that 4 more times, and we're all good. You get the idea. Nice new screens. No holes. Cut that off later. Perfect. A beautiful snowy day in Central Texas. With snowballs being thrown at me the whole time. You rotten little kid.
Not rotten. You're rotten.
All right, well, I'm going inside because my fingers is frozen and my GoPro, I think, doesn't like being too cold. So, yeah, there you go. Get yourself a hoodie from the shop down below. We'll throw a link down at the bottom. And tell your friends, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. What else?
Follow.
Oh yeah, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, social medias, all over the place. And thanks for watching.
Throw a snowball.
Yes.
I meant to throw